Chat, what's poppin', man? How we doing? Welcome back. Yo, what's good, everyone? How we doing? Welcome back to the streams, man. What's good, Max? What's good, Mark? Braze, Scott, Louis, how we all doing? What's good? What's good? What's good? Yo. Chat, good morning. How we doing? Happy Tuesday. Good at Manuel. Good Noodle Holtz. Scott, what's good? Cool, chat. Come say hi, man. How's everyone doing? Nice. Alright, chat. So it should be a good day today. It should be a good day today. Now, it's actually the first time I'm relatively on time for stream in a while. So, yeah, man. But, chat, we're looking okay. Now, let me do a little breakdown and then obviously we can continue on to the stream. But, the weekly time frame, Tuesday, innit? It is. The weekly time frame obviously is bearish, but you are still pushing up towards that flip. Now the previous daily did close, it did close bearish, but it's almost like a weak closure in my opinion. Current daily now has come down, made a bottom wick and began to flip. So with that being said, right, you realistically want to see a continuation up here. I do believe that we do push further up towards that weekly flip towards like the end of today. Now looking at the 4 hour, you do have a level here around this 26.52 area, which you've come and tapped into and you're sort of starting to reject off of. If you can close above there on the 4, you should be good to go, right? But obviously the 4 hours a little bit far away for a closure. So if we drop to the 1 hour, what can we see? Well, we actually see that it's the same level. And the other thing that we can see as well is that the previous 1 hour up here, like a couple of 1 hours ago, had no top wick. Now this current 1 hour has come and grabbed the top wick for it and is now starting to potentially flip, which is something that gold likes to do after it re-grabs that top wick. So yeah, you have to be a little bit cautious of that as well. However, like we said, if you do close above that 26.52 area, you should be clean to continue up till, I would say, at least 26.60, right? Maybe a little bit lower, maybe a little bit higher, but at least 26.60 around there should be clean. You do tap that almost every time. If not, you tap at least 26.59, which is good enough for me, right? But yeah, so in terms of buys, right, anything above 26.52 will take all the way up till 26.61. And then sells are going to be interesting. I would say realistically we're looking at 26.44. Yeah, 26.44 for sells. Understanding that you have a sort of minor rejection here, but realistically sells from 26.44 should take you down till 26.35, right? And that's essentially what we're going to target today. So vice versa, right? Essentially we just have this no trade zone in the middle, right here, right, is our no trade zone. But once you do break out of that, we can take positions either way to either target the bottom of the next range or the bottom of the top range. And either way, yeah, we should be good to continue up. Now, there's no news today, right? I don't think there's any news, which is great. Yeah, there's only Canadian news at 1:30, so no US news, which is good. Share price action indeed. And yeah, chat, this essentially should be a clean day. We just have to wait for the right closures. Once we get them, we're good to go, man. We're good to go. So, stay locked in, focused up, etc. And yeah, man, let's start the day off right. Let's start the day off right. But guys, did you guys get any trades yesterday? How was your day yesterday? I know it was the bank holiday. I actually didn't get any trades. I spent the whole day sort of on different pursuits other than trading. I was on a few calls. And then I actually, did some decorating, you know. Not a single trade yesterday? Yeah, I don't blame you, bro. I don't blame you. It was a weird day. What's good, Max? Good raise. Alright, chat, cool. One trade, how did it go? Yeah, chat, look at this. So you're rejecting a little bit here, which is interesting. Oh, previous 30, that makes sense. Previous 30 close, no top wick. Chat, if I saw that, that'd be a clean sell. Actually, maybe not, but it is a clean sell. Bank holidays are tough. Price tends to move randomly. Yeah, it's a little bit more erratic. It was W. Hey, good stuff. Caught a small W in Asian session. Nice, Max. GG's. GG's. Alright, chat. So look, you have 19 minutes here to the 1 hour close. 15-minute close in about 4 minutes. If you do close bearish like this, I do expect you to come down and fill the bottom of this range. But yeah. I still think there's a lot of potential today, chat. A lot of potential. We just need to stay focused, stay locked. We should be good. Oh. But yeah, look at the way we faked out this range, closed back in and filled the range. That was so clean, to be honest. That was really nice. Bet on the 1. Yeah, it's just a fake out. Interesting. Price action looks to be getting a little bit nicer recently. What's good, Bedge? How's it going, bro? Yeah, price action does seem to be getting a little bit nicer, which is good. Isn't 26.47 the bottom of the range? Nah, you got like levels here, here. I mean, technically you could, yeah, I suppose you could class that as a level if you wanted. Not a bad spot, but yeah, I kind of prefer waiting a little bit further. What's good, Kata? How we doing? Yeah, chat, this could get interesting today. Obviously, we need to wait for some more volume to come to the market. There should be like around 9 o'clock, 9:30. But yeah, man, I'm excited to see what we do today. To be honest, chat, I think there's a lot of potential. Like I said, you just have to wait for the right moments. Wait for those breakouts. Wait for price action to form exactly what you want. And once it does, you take advantage, right? Chris Roy, what's good? Good morning, bro. Good morning. GG's, what's good, victory settings? Alright, chat, listen, make sure you guys drop a like on today's stream. Yeah, man. I mean, yesterday we didn't stream New York, but other than that, we've been streaming consistently now for like, how long, bro? 10 months? I haven't missed a single day, apart from like if I've been away on holiday, right? Yeah, 10 months now, consistently, every single day. If that's not worth like 50k subs, I don't know what is. Alright, 15-minute closure here, chat. Oh wow, you push back up a little bit. Looking to close like doji. Maybe even bullish before it closes. Very interesting, chat. Very interesting indeed. That's good though, because the 30 closed no... Oh wait. I guess if you close like that, you can still come down. You did close respecting still. Yeah, man, this is interesting. Obviously, 1 hour closed, sorry, 30-minute closed, no top wick, right? So realistically, I would expect to see a bit more downside here, if I'm honest. I overexposed, wait. Oh, that's way better, wow. Yeah, I'd expect to see a little bit more downside, but that being said, obviously, we can't tell exactly what's going to happen. We can't predict the future. But, yeah. Interesting, because obviously the way the price is printing is telling me we come down a little bit, but obviously the 1 hour and 4 hour and daily are so bullish that I think you can continue up here. So we'll see. This 1 hour closure is actually going to be very important. It's going to be a very important closure. So obviously we have to wait and see what it does. Hopefully we can grab some in. And yeah. Whoa. Alright, cool. Cool. Yeah, chat, pushing up here. Interesting. Are we going to see that 1 hour closure above, or are we going to see that closure below or respecting? If we close like this, and you're going to have to wait a little bit longer, but if you do close bearish, we can potentially look at some sales on the 1 hour close, right? If the 30 closes bearish. You'd be looking at then like a mirror of this move here. It actually is an exact mirror pretty much of that move. Yeah, a lot of the times you do reject off this level. So let's see. You notice how this time we came down all the way, pushed back up towards 26.51 and then continued down. I'm not saying we will again, but we've done it in the past, right? Looks pretty bearish to me. Oh. I don't think we're bearish, but I think if the 30 closes like this, we could potentially take some sales, yeah. I think, to be honest, we're just in a range, to be honest. Yo, what the fuck, I didn't get no... Bro, that's so weird. What's good then, man? How you doing? Mr. Renter Rocks. Yeah, bro, sometimes it doesn't give... it doesn't send out notifications for us anymore. I don't know why. Bit annoying, but is what it is. Took a winning paper trade, slightly proud. Hey, let's go, bro. Let's go. That's good shit. Hey, why did that move? Giving drugs, good morning, man. Yeah, chat. It's all the time when I was like, the fuck, no stream tonight? Oh, yeah. Bro, you're a real one for checking, though. You're a real one for checking. I appreciate that. Alright, chat, pushing down here. This could get interesting. Your outlook? I'm just waiting for a closure outside this range. To be honest, I need some direction for the day. Oh. Yeah. Damn, missed school for your stream? Bro, it's a W. That's a W, bro. Good shit. Alright, we'll have to stream a bit longer for you, Mark, then, and we'll have to try to get a trade. Let me screenshot that. All right, cool chat. Good stuff. Now, 9 minutes here. It's not long to focus up. Make sure you locked in. Make sure you're ready. Make sure you don't have to go take a break. Yeah, there's a lot of opportunity forming here, chat. We just need some volume. But to be honest, the fact that there's no volume at the minute is good. Yeah, that's good shit, Mark. I like it. KB, what's good, brother? How we doing? Very good. Very, very good. How about you? Yeah, if you can close like this, chat, we'll be doing well. I'm really not well this week. Feel like absolute shit. Oh, bro, it's so tough. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I feel run down too, but I'm sorry you don't feel well, man. Hopefully you get better. Hopefully you get better soon, bro. Okay, chat, 7 minutes. 7 minutes. Realistically, though, again, like I said, I do believe you're in a bigger range here. I think you're just ranging between these 2 points. Right? Like, look what we've been doing the whole time. Just up, down, up, down. In between 26.61 and 35. These two areas, it's just one big range in my opinion. Maybe even a little bit higher, like 26.68 or something. But yeah, I do believe it's just one big range, especially when you zoom out, right? It just looks like consolidation. And then you fake out of it here, close back in, continue to range. We're gonna die in 7 minutes. What's going on? Yeah, maybe. Now 1 hour close. I hit B this morning with this 30-minute. Yeah, fair play, bro. B is a win there. Looks like we're gonna push down now. Yeah, we'll see, bro. I'm not sure about these rejections, to be honest, but it definitely does look a little bit bearish. We'll definitely see. What's Ethereum doing? Alright, chat. Hey bro, how are you? Is $50 per session from the last 4 months considered consistent, and should I increase my lot size? Bro, if you're making $50 a session consistently, then that's a win, bro. Good shit. Don't focus on the money. Just focus on the risk, right? Like, you should increase your lot size if you're under risking. If you're over risking, then no. Depends what your account size is, right? But you don't have to tell me, obviously, like, don't tell me your account size, but if you're risking between like 1 and 5%, then you should be okay. Maybe if you're risking like 0.5 to 1% or whatever, then maybe you can increase it. Just what I do is, as my account grows, you just increase the lots, but stay under a certain risk percentage. So have a cap, like 5% risk or something. Obviously, once your account grows a little bit, your risk is going to go down if you have fixed lot size. And then once your risk is to a certain point, you can up it as long as it doesn't go above a certain area. 15k? How much are you risking per trade, bro? you can realistically risk. Depends how good your mentality is, right? But you can realistically risk anywhere from $150 to $1,000 per trade if you got a 15k account. $1,000 a trade is a bit too much. But yeah, if you got 15k, wait, is it? It's a personal account, right? Not a prop account. Because if it's a prop account, it's a different story, right? Which high does it have to break to confirm another high, another push? Somewhere up here. To be honest, to confirm another push, I just need to see it close above 26.52, bro. It's not about like breaking highs or anything. Personal, yeah, bro. You can risk more than 30 to 70 bucks, 100%. So at that point, you're risking like 0.2% or something. Yeah, 300 to 500 is not bad. If you're really aggressive, you can maybe push it to 1,000, right? But again, that is aggressive, and I probably wouldn't if you're not experienced. But yeah, also you don't want to make a massive jump. Bedge is right. Like, you don't want to make a huge jump because then you're going to see big numbers and you're going to get scared. Like, your emotions are going to come into your trading. Let me just open my broker real quick. Chat, we have 3 minutes here till this 1 hour close. There's a lot of potential here as well. I do want to see... Hang on. I do want to see like a decent closure like this would be fine. Especially if we get a top wick. We have to leave a bottom wick, obviously, but if you get a top wick, you should be good. I do understand we've got a bit of a level here, which you need to watch out for. That can be our break-even point. Yeah, sells definitely don't look bad here, chat. Top wick first to be real nice, chat. Tops as well are decent. Like 33 pips. I would like a bit more volume on the open, right? But we'll see. Right, SG, you really want to make it in trading? You will, bro. Just keep working, man. How are you going? Yeah, good, bro. Sells, yeah, we're looking for sells here, to be honest, off this 1 hour close in 1 minute and 30. KB, surely you can do it in your head by now, bro. Got a question about tax? Wait, let me wait for this 1 hour close, and then you can ask it. I'll answer it after the close, right? Where will you put stop loss? Stop loss going to be above this area here, 26.54 probably. Just above the previous 1 hour high. Or 30-minute high, sorry. Yeah, I just need a top wick as well, chat, to be honest. That's what we need first. It's very important. Gang, if you guys can't do your stop loss calculation in your head, you're cooked. Like, surely by now you should know that what your stops should be for a certain amount of pips. Yeah, man, chat, let's see. 16 seconds to this closure. You're closing nicely. But chat, obviously you know we need a top wick first. If you rip down bottom wick first, then... yeah, there's not really much I can do. We just have to let it run, literally. Literally. Alright, you gap down, but... can you push? No, you can't. Good. Very good. Don't say that ever again. Yeah, my bad. You broke the low as well. Nothing you can do here too, because this could just be a bottom wick for the 1 hour, right? Literally nothing I can do here right now. We have to wait for a few, like, for just a couple more closures, right? So like 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Yeah, that shit is tough. Right, chat. Well, we move, right? Stay patient, stay focused. That was a good setup, I'm not gonna lie, but yeah. SG, slowly I'm realizing this game is about learning price action, order flow, and managing risk with good positive mindset. And lot size can take you places. Yeah, 100%, bro. 100%. I trade with a structure, but your analysis mostly correlates with mine, mate. Kind of interesting. Yeah, it's weird how it works, eh? Like, even people that I know that trade ICT or whatever, they often get the same trades as us because, like, realistically, every strategy is just a repackaged version of market structure. That's literally it. Every strategy is just a repackaged version of basic market structure. So that's why we cut out the middleman, right? And I just trade market structure. Like, literally it, right? Just wait for a break. That's it. Why is the advantage point there? Because it's the top rejection area from back here. But it doesn't matter anymore because we've you actually nearly, I think, did you tap it? You actually did nearly tap it. But yeah, see, chat, like, this could have been the 1 hour bottom wick for all we know, right? This 1 hour could just rip up here. I'm not saying it will, but yeah, man. But chat, listen, drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm doing two streams per day, every single day for the past, like, I don't even know how long. So much value, so much free knowledge as well. It's insane. Chat, these streams are not always going to be free, you know that, right? There will be a day where I can't do this shit for free anymore, right? So make sure you either lock your place into the group or take advantage of the free streams. That's it. What's good, Bad Dog? Good morning, bro. I'm in the cell. Hopefully it plays out, man. Hopefully it plays out. I can't take anything just yet, though. What's good now? Good morning. Alright, chat, you're pushing here. The volume's picking up as well, which is great. Yeah, it's real good. Cool. So yeah, chat, especially now that we are, like, we didn't form it correctly, right? The only reason I was comfortable taking sells was because of the way this was forming, right? But right now, you've essentially got a high being made, right? A higher high. Now you've made a low. If this 1 hour can continue up here, you can take buys and you can use this area underneath here for stops, right? Very cleanly. Took the buy, 26.50. AW, bro. Funny how both trades can play out, both buys and sells. You put your t-shirts in the wardrobe or a drawer? The expensive t-shirts get hung up and the cheap ones get put in a drawer. I feel like that's the same with everyone now. The cheap t-shirt to you? Like Zara. Stuff like that. Whoa. Big stretch. My most expensive t-shirt is a 50 quid England top. Yeah, that's patriotic, bro. How it should be. God save the king and that. But chat, look. Indecision right now. You don't know, it doesn't know whether it wants to push up or push down, so you don't really want to be in a trade right now. To be honest. Like, it doesn't really know where it wants to go. Realistically, yeah, it might push down further, but I can't take anything here, chat. Especially because now you're right next to the rejection levels, like here. Here. But yeah. Chat, speaking of wardrobes, I actually just completely redecorated, reordered new shit as well yesterday. It was actually pretty fun, I can't lie. I was up till like 3 AM just doing random shit. You guys ever get that though, where you get like fixated on one task like randomly? Then just you have to, I don't know, I have to complete it that night. You know what I'm saying? I can't like let it go. Is that just fucking, I don't know. Surfing for gym clothes at 1 AM? Yeah, trust me, bro. Rocket loading? Yeah, we might push up here, to be fair. You know, my girl was like, yeah, so we'll spend some time, we'll go through a few shops, we'll look at like, you know, new cupboards, wardrobes, etc. I was like, nah, I've just ordered it. I just did it in like 5 minutes. And she was like, what? No, that's not how you do it. You have to go look round. Nah, I've ordered it. Is before bed actions really affects my pocket? Bro, some of the things I've bought at like 2 AM whilst laying in bed are just ridiculous. You wake up the next morning like, why did I do that? That's actually so true, bro. I never actually thought about that. But chat, look, you're pushing up here, which is great. You got a 15-minute close here in about 10 minutes time. Or 6 minutes time, sorry. So if you can close above, we can potentially look at some buys here. But let's see. Obviously, you do have a 4-hour close as well in like 50 minutes. A 4-hour close above would be even better, right? Above this 2652 area would be so clean. Then you definitely, not definitely, but you should continue up towards 2661 at that point, at least. But yeah, chat, let's see. I feel like it's going to run a lot before this closure, right? You got a lot of time. You got 50 minutes. What'd you send me, bro? I just bought a snake. Insane. Looks like you got a fire apartment there, I can't lie. It looks nice. It's got a little Buddha. You redecorated your background? Nah. Nah. Different room I was redecorating, not this room. Alright, chat. See what happens here. You got literally 4 minutes to the 15 minute. Now, because you had that LV bag and a yellow thing in the back. Yeah, it's still there. It's just up. Yellow thing. Would you rather wait for the 4-hour closure or the 30-minute or the 15? Obviously the 4 hours cleaner, but hopefully we don't have to wait for it. Realistically, the 15 is okay. 30-minute would be a lot nicer though. But I have a feeling we're going to run before the 4-hour close, right? And I really don't want to have to have like a million pip stops. You know what I'm saying? I think now we've made this low. I think we continue up, especially if the 15 closes above. But yeah, the 15's a bit choppy, I'm not gonna lie. We'll see though, chat. We'll see how it forms. We've got 3 minutes to the 15 close. Oh. Yeah, it should be decent though. Yeah, the only thing with the 15 is obviously the 1 hour did close below, right? And the and the 30 did close bullish. So that being said, right, the 15 could still close above, and the next time frame, you know, you could, and the next candle you could just continue back down, right? Especially because the level on the 15 is a little bit higher. So realistically, the 15 is a little bit sketchy. I think the 30-minute or the 1 would be a lot nicer. But obviously, that being said, you have to wait a lot longer for that. So we'll see. Obviously, we are patient, don't get me wrong. But if something forms that's nice on the 15 or the 30, I'm not gonna not take it. Not gonna not take it. But I will take it. That's what I meant. Alright, pushing up though, chat. Re-breaking your own high. Oh. Re-broke the previous high, chat. This might run here. I think you got room to run until 55 on the 15-minute time frame. But obviously, if you can close in this range on the 1 hour and the 30, you should fill the range up. This is what I'm saying though, chat. I do expect us to run here before the 4-hour close. I don't know why. I just think we're gonna fill the range. No, I don't know why. I've seen it happen before, right? But you get my point. I feel like we're most likely going to fill this range before we actually get an opportunity to get a closure. Which is why we'll see if we can get an entry on the 15-minute time frame. Because realistically, even if you do want to continue up, you shouldn't break this 1 hour low here. Alright, so we could look to do something like this, right? If it gets a little pullback, you have your stops here. Below this area. Whoa. Alright, chat, well, definitely not then. No top wick closure. Watch this shit still run though, chat. Watch it still run. That's actually not bad though, chat. Hopefully, if it respects the no top wick, If it can respect that no top wick, then that's great, because that'll mean that we'll get a 30-minute closure like somewhere around here, which will be really good for us. Or it'll even continue back down. So yeah, we'll see, chat. But there's a lot of potential right now. So listen, stay locked in with us. Drop a like, subscribe if you're new, and just stay focused, right? Don't go get some tea, coffee just yet. Time for us to lock it in here, especially since we've got some volume coming into the market too. It looks promising here, I'm not gonna lie. I want to see a nice closure. What was that? Yeah, no clue. But yeah, the market structure has obviously just continued bullish the whole time. Okay. That 15 close is crazy. No top wick. Does mean that gold is very bullish though at the minute, because essentially you have no sellers to push price back down. Should we enter for a buy? Nah, not yet, bro. You gotta stay patient, man. Wait for the closures to form. Wait for, like, you have to understand that every closure is your confirmation, right? And until the price closes, you know, on the 30 or the 15 or whatever, you have no confirmation. The 15 just closed above, but it did close with no top wick, which, you know, indicates to us that there's no range to continue, right? So in our strategy, essentially a no top wick closure means that you've now formed a resistance right here. And you wouldn't want to take a buy right at the resistance. So yeah, you don't realistically want to take anything just yet. You need some form of a closure. And once you get that, you should be good. Yeah, man, you should be chilling. But chat, this week's vlog coming out on Friday is going to, or this week's day in the life video coming out on Friday is going to be absolutely insane, right? So make sure you guys have your notifications on for the channel. I think it's going to be sick. So in it, I go to, I think I did, wait, so at the start we do a little cold plunge. Like following on from the previous gym video. Then we have a little trip to London, go to some nice restaurants, go do some shopping. Then what do we do? There's loads of shit, man. It's just jam-packed. Jam-packed. Yeah, it's super cool. Also some more trading stuff. So I'm going to include some more trading stuff in these vlogs too. I obviously know you guys are mostly you know, a community of traders. So, yeah. But look, chat, you're really pushing up here, which means that if the 15 does flip, you are most likely going to continue to drive. And you won't respect the no top wick, which is fine. It just means that, yeah, you're going to drive a little bit further. But you only have 11 minutes here to the closure. And, yeah. Alright, cool, chat, send that out. Good shit. But yeah, if you could close somewhere on the 15 just like this, right, you then have almost like a celery play going on. And yeah, you should be good to continue. But yeah, in terms of resources for you guys, what have I got coming out? I've got a playbook coming out. I've got a full masterclass coming out. I've got so much stuff, bro. It's going to be insane. Like, so much value. Obviously more free streams every single day, free trading videos, etc for the people who don't want to pay. And yeah, I want to give as much value out for free as possible, which is always what we've done, right? Ever since this channel was created, we've just been giving out free value left, right, and center. The playbook is going to be super valuable. Obviously, yeah, you'll have the paid masterclass, but bro, it's gonna be insane. What's on the playbook? Yeah, how to take all the plays, right? It'll be yeah, it'll be comprehensive, I can't lie. Back with some nice cereal. What cereal did you get? Bro, chat, the 15 flipped here. Interesting. You are going to probably continue up right now. I would say you're most likely to push. I've seen when you have a no top wick like this, if you come down and then reflip and don't respect the no top wick, that's when you really make a push. Yeah, see, look, there you go. Bro, nah, I'm not gonna lie, they have some crazy nice cereal in Greece. I remember it. I'm like, bro, they have this weird, like, granola chocolate thing. It was crazy when I used to eat cereal. Yeah. Bro, I know exactly what you're eating, Mark. What's good, Matt? How's it going, bro? Yeah, the granola with chocolate. Bro, I'm telling you. That's elite. That is elite. Yeah. Bro, I used to have that when I went to Greece. Like, yeah, we do have it, but I don't know, it brings back memories. Okay, chat, 15-minute push up a little bit, reflipped. Interesting. This 15-minute/30-minute closure is going to be very important, so make sure you pay attention to that, chat. Pay attention to it. As long as it leaves you a wick, you've probably got room to continue, right? You realistically do need to tap 2655.8 as a minimum, but as I said, right, if you close in this range on the 30-minute time frame, you're most likely going to continue up. I don't see why you wouldn't. Only question now I have is on the 30-minute, you do have, yeah, you are now tapping into, you know, our advantage point here, which is the most unfortunate thing, right? You do have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah, like a lot of levels here. This 2655 area, it's a strong rejection area, but I do believe on the 1 hour it's not as strong, right? Yeah, I mean it's still there, but I think on the 1 hour, realistically, you'd probably push through here. So we'll see, chat. But at the end of the day, we have to pay attention to that. We can't ignore it. Yeah, and the fact you are sort of rejecting off of it is definitely something that you know you have to factor in. Someone was telling you about that 2655, bro. Yeah, you did, bro. You did. But you think I don't see that? I see it all. I'm like, what's that guy's name? I'm like Morpheus, bro. I see it all. I'm just waiting for the right moments to explain it to you guys. Santa Claus or Santa Claus, but I'd go more Morpheus. You just weren't ready for the truth yet, Mark. That was it. That was the only thing. Alright, chat, but look, let's see. So, like I said, 15-minute rejecting off the area strongly. You can just get a retracement, maybe. Be nice. Obviously, chat, you do have a 30-minute closure here in 5 minutes' time. You've also got the 4-hour closure in 35 minutes' time, so that's something to pay attention to as well. As long as that 4-hour closes above 2652, yeah, you should be good to continue up towards that 2660 area at least. At least. So, just about seeing whether we can get an entry here right now. Whether it prints the right direction for us, and if it does, how can we grab that entry? I don't think we should have any problems here, chat. As long as you can stay patient. Alright, chat. Should be good here. 5 minutes forming like a little bit of a range. Like you saw it, you saw us do this here. You might start to do the same thing here a little bit, and then slowly and continuously push up. Which is fine, right? Not a problem, but you do want to see some clean moves rather than ranging, creating structure. You'd just like to see a clean push. But yeah, it's a little bit difficult for us to take buyers below 26.55. Four minutes, chat. Stay locked in here. Stay focused. Yeah, man, I'm so excited for the stuff that we're going to bring to this community. Like, it's going to be insane. Obviously, we've got the clothing coming out. And then just, bro, I want to build this community, especially the Discord. Like, the free section of the Discord is popping right now. Like, every single day I see you guys helping each other out. I want to build this into a community, like a brotherhood almost. I mean, it already is, right? But even more of one, where you guys can just, like, elevate and grow together. You know, you can get better in every single metric. You know, gym-wise, trading-wise, finance-wise, every single thing. But yeah, look at this chat. All right, 3 minutes. Just 3 minutes till the close. 3 minutes. It's not long. Not long at all to wait. Work out of the Trendlines mansion. Yeah, soon come. Soon. Bro, you best believe, Qatar, I need to have a padel court at the mansion. Padel court in the garden, swimming pool and a gym, that's it. That's all I need. And maybe like a cold plunge. And a barbecue. And that's it, then I'm done. Going next weekend also? Yeah, I knew it, bro. I knew you'd get addicted. That's how it works, bro. Me and my boys were sat around the table after playing padel, and we all just bought padel rackets like right there and then. We're like, fuck it. The first time we played, I was like, I need to get a racket. Bro, I went and played? No way, Mark. Yeah, good stuff. It's so fun, eh? Yeah, it's super fun. It's way more fun on a beach, though, somewhere warm, than it is in cold England, right? But when you play at net, like when there's good weather, oh my days. Yeah, true, Kata. Where do you even do it? You just go into the alleyway near your house, Eugene, and then hit a tennis ball against the wall. I don't know. Just find a court, bro. Just Google it. Yeah, there's loads in Greece. There's loads in Spain as well. Like, 'cause it is a Spanish sport, right? In like Marbella, it's sick. Like playing on the beach there is so nice. All right, 1 minute chat to the 30-minute close. What are we gonna do? €8 per hour? That's cheap, bro. I think I pay like €30. Just a quick matrix attack right there. A little quick matrix attack. We're good. Played at 27 degrees Celsius. Bro, that's crazy. I was playing the other day in like a coat, in like a hoodie. It was that cold. But yeah, for me it's like, no, it's like £35 for an hour. €8 an hour is crazy, Mark. That's so cheap. Alright, you're closing here, chat. What are you going to do? $35's a lot. Yeah, it is, but what are you going to do, eh? Chat, I do feel like you want to push up here, but you are just going to close right at the resistance, which is so tough, man. You do have some room until the resistance level, right? And now you're gonna come and make a bottom wick here. Insane. I'm gonna have to let this one run. Chat, just have to let this one run, bro. You came down, made a bottom wick, flipped, got everyone activated who had buy stops, and now you're pushing back down again. Now that you've made that top wick, or that bottom wick, sorry, yeah, it gets a little bit tough. 8 per person, okay, that makes sense. Tore my Achilles playing Padel? Bro, don't tell me that. That's crazy. Now you got me scared. Hopefully you're better now though, bro. What's good as well, Mac Build? How you doing, man? Yeah, chat. This is a tough one here. I'm gonna have to let this run. If it wants to go here without me, it can. But buy stop, fair enough. Yeah, hopefully it plays out, bro. I'm just a little bit concerned myself. Just so funny, chat, how when it's not the right closure, it makes the bottom wick first, right? When it's something that we don't, when it's closing right at the resistance, it makes the bottom wick first. Don't get me wrong, it might still run, right? Just rather wait. Yeah, 15's clean as well, right? The way that it made this doji candle to make a wick for this one. But like, when you have no bottom wick candles, this is something else to note, chat. When you have a no bottom wick candle like this, obviously you can't take buys off that because you got no range to continue up. But if the next candle, even like a 15-minute candle, comes and does this, closes doji, but makes a wick as well, top wick, then that does give you range to continue up, right? So realistically, yeah, you do have range. If there wasn't a resistance here, we would be taking it. But this candle now did come and give us some range and some ability to actually push up. So yeah, so that's something you can sort of, you know, take note of. But the reason I didn't take this was obviously because we were sat right at this rejection area here. Which on the 30 and the 1 hour is a very strong level, right? You see here? I almost want to put a line there just to show it. You know what I mean? Like you reject off it here, here. Here. Yeah, you see, you just did the same again, right? You would have got hit break even there because we would have had to manage super aggressively at like 5 pips up. Because chat, now that it's made a top wick as well, this can push down for all we know. So W discipline and yeah, I guess well managed if you didn't take that trade because you understood that, right? Even if it pushes up now, just well managed, because you would have hit break even anyway. Mark, take my account, flip it. Yeah, Mark, here's 50k, right? Come back to me when you got a mil. Guy's like, yeah, if you give me 50k, give me a few days, I'll bring you back a mil. Yeah, maybe. All right. Bring me to the wolves and I'll commandeer. Crazy. Chat, you're pushing back down here, right? The 5-minute closed. Okay, you did close bullish. Interesting. I just checked Padel, mate. It's full on cardio. Mate, I burn 800 calories in an hour playing. Like, it's properly good cardio, and it's so fun as well. Like, if you want to figure out a way to burn, like, I burnt more calories than when I went on a 10k run, right? Now, obviously, the like watches and shit aren't accurate, but you know, you get the point. It's like sick cardio. Cool chat. Listen, drop a like if you haven't already. Let's try to get to 60 likes on today's stream. Massively appreciate it. But look, we weren't able to grab a position here, which is good, right? Because if we took a trade right now on this break of the high here, you'd be sat in drawdown right now. So obviously, that's not something you want to do. We'd be in drawdown here. All we have to do right now is wait, stay focused, and stay disciplined. And once you do get that 1 hour close or that 4 hour close above this level, yeah, you should be good to drive, right? Especially if you can, you know, close on the 4 hour and then come down first bottom wick. Yeah, you should be chilling. So let's see, chat. Just stay focused here. 22 minutes to the 4 hour close. This is realistically the most important close of the morning. This 10 o'clock 4 hour close is huge. It sort of sets the direction for the rest of the day, right? Until New York, at least. Thinking of grabbing one more pair of foam runners. Why? Such a hype beast, Mark. What's good, Deny? How we doing, man? Yeah, chat, look how clean this looks on the one. That's why I really did want to wait for this 1 hour closure. It looks super nice. Sometimes patience is a virtue, right? Actually, always. But sometimes waiting for that trade is actually, you know, results in you getting a better trade rather than, like, you know, sometimes it'll run on you, yeah, and you get a worse entry. But sometimes also you get a better entry, right? You get a little bit of a pullback, then you can take your positions. Yeah, so it's a lot better to just wait for that perfect position to form. And trust me, it will form. I think the main fear that people have is that their position won't form and it'll run without them. Which firstly, if it does, then so what? And secondly, most of the time it'll actually, you know, print out regardless. What's good, Zulu? How you doing, bro? Yeah, so look, you're starting to push. Oh, okay, I guess not. I was going to say you're starting to push down, but I guess we're going to slowly just rip up a little bit here. You obviously need some more volume. Sometimes that volume comes at 10, 10:30. It really depends. So, yeah, at the end of the day, just wait for that volume to come in. Once it does, you should be chilling. Yeah, like there's so much indecision here at the moment. Oh. So what we'll do, chat, as well, is we'll wait for this 4 hour close. If you close above, then great. The only thing that will stop us from waiting is if you rip up top wick first, I'll be done. But if you close above and push back down on the 4 hour, like for a bottom wick, we'll obviously wait for as long as it takes, right? But yeah, we should be good. In terms of a bottom wick, you probably want to look around this area here on the 4 hour. might be a bit ambitious, right? Because it's something like 60 pips away. But that's where your previous wicks have been, right? You had one here. I mean, you've had a few that are a bit lower down, a bit higher up, sorry. But 26.49, 26.50, around this area here, right? That's where you would really want to see your bottom wick come. And if you can do that straight away, we'll be in buys off the rip on that. Will we? Yeah, I guess we could be. We'll need to see how it forms, right? Especially if you can get like a no bottom wick forming or something like that. As long as you get a closure with a decent like sign of rejection, right? So an obvious rejection symbol, then you should be great. You should be great, especially yeah, once that bottom wick's made. But chat, I know it's a lot for us, a lot to ask for, especially since gold has been gold recently a lot. For our close coming, yeah, exactly. 18 minutes. That's what we're waiting for right now. Exactly what we're waiting for. But chat, listen, drop a like before this closure. Make sure you guys are in the Discord too if you're new. For the people just joining, and obviously subscribe if you haven't already. There's so much free content coming to this channel. It's just next level, absolutely next level. Now, yeah, like we said, really just time to make sure we get the right setups. Obviously, I'll be streaming New York later as well. So if you didn't know, I stream New York at like 1 PM UK time, or like just before New York Open. So if we don't get anything now, we'll obviously look for some positions on New York session as well, which should be yeah, should be decent. But again, it's all about that patience. You are ripping here though, chat. Pushing up. You just don't want to fill the range, right? That's the most important thing. As long as you don't fill this range, you should be chilling. I mean, you've still got 60 pips of room, so you should be okay. Yeah, you should be good. Oh yeah, chat. Also, I forgot to say, ACG have a 30% off sale, right? Because they did 70 million in payouts. So you have to click on that link just there and use code 70M, I think it is. And you get 30% off ACG accounts. It's not my code or anything. Like, I won't get anything from it, but I just want you guys to know, in case you guys want to do want to grab a funded account, they have 30% off, which they don't they don't very often do. So make sure you go take advantage of that whilst you can. Yeah, okay, chat, cool. So 15-minute close here in 1 minute's time. Do look like you're going to close bullish. Like I said, it looks as if you're just going to slowly like crawl up here, right? Just slowly cascade up like this, right? Which means there's direction but no volume, which is something that we can't really take advantage of. You have to, I think you might have to do it from the main website, bro. Just type in ACG. But you definitely can if you're in the US. Okay, small pullback here for the 15 close is good, I guess. Most likely going to rip on this next 15 though. So let's see. There's a lot of potential here. The volume's starting to pick up. Direction's very clear right now, chat. All you need is a small pullback, and we'll get in here. We'll be in positions very shortly. So make sure you stay focused up. And yeah, there's definitely a lot of opportunities. This is time to start hunting right now for your positions. Definitely time to start hunting. Morning SG, back from holiday, back to work. How are you, mate? Yeah, I'm good, brother. Thank you. How was your holiday? Hey, you're right. It's there. Yeah, I thought so, bro. Yeah, okay, chat. So the 15-minute closed here. Doji again. Interesting. So again, you're struggling to push past this level. Right? Again, you're struggling to push past this 26.55 area. The Kinthos is a nice place to go this time of year. Yeah, bro. I've spent a lot of time in Zakynthos, bro. I went there like 3 times. I'm pretty sure I went to a different place than where you went. I was like 18. What's good news? Mark, I'm gonna call Jerome real quick. Yeah, do that. Do that. Yeah, chat. So the reason why we have to wait for the 4 hour as well is because you see on the 1 hour and the 30-minute, we have this level at 26.55, right? It's a strong rejection area. On the 4 hour, that level doesn't exist, right? You don't have any 4 hour rejection areas here. There's just nothing. Which means that if you do wait for that 4 hour close, you've got clean traffic to push up. So once you do have a confirmation of a closure above this area at like 26.51 or even 26.53, right? Once you close above there, you're good to continue up to, as a minimum, 26.58, 26.59, 26.60, around that area there. So yeah, as long as you close above on the 4 hour, I don't really care about these levels on the 1. It's a much stronger confirmation, right? Jerome said it's going to push up. They just want to annoy a guy named Sam for a bit. Yeah, I hear that. They love to do that. Good shit. Trying to figure out where we'd put stops if we got a wick entry. Potentially below this range. How many pips is that? Not too bad. Quite large though. Depending on, and if you got a flip, right, we'd put it on the current candle low or this area here for like 50 pips, which wouldn't be too bad. Either way, chat, there's definitely a lot of potential and definitely stuff you can do here nonetheless. Don't speak yet. If this 4 hour close, no top wick, we're cooked. Yeah, I hear that. I'm about to buy 50k for 207. Hey, let's go, bro. Yeah, that's good. That's cheap, no? Whoa. ACG. $11 minutes, chat. Not long at all, right? If you can't wait 11 minutes on a stream, then your attention span is cooked. I'm not being funny, but a lot of people have TikTok brain right now, and that's why they can't trade. I'm genuinely serious. A lot of people have TikTok brain. They've got no attention span, no patience. They can't wait 10 minutes for a closure. They want to be in the trade right now. They want to, you know, instant dopamine. Can't wait for anything. And that TikTok brain has just caused, you know, a ridiculous amount of like low attention span people. And if you have low attention span and low patience, you just can't trade. Because the main virtue as a trader you need to have is patience. That's literally it. Literally it, man. But someone clip that, please. Someone clip that, I beg. Alright, cool. Yo, a 100k account is 350. I can afford it. Bro, just go for the 50k in my opinion. Like, or yeah, I'd just be a bit wary of buying like an account that you can only just afford. I'm not saying only just afford, but you know what I mean. Like, make sure you're okay with losing the money for the account you're gonna buy. I mean, because realistically, Like, most people lose their props, right? You need to be okay with like losing that money. FV, what's good? Hello, man. How you doing? Yeah, yesterday was a US bank holiday and still gold did perfect price action. Yeah, it did. Gold was okay yesterday. I mean, it wasn't perfect price action, don't get me wrong, but it was alright. I didn't trade anything though. Chat, look, you got 8 minutes here till this closure. Only 8 minutes. Thank you, Jai. I appreciate you. And welcome, bro. I forgot to say hi, but what's good, man? How have you been? How was your weekend? Oh, not weekend. How was your day yesterday? Whoa. Missed you, mate. Yeah, same, man. I missed all of you guys chat yesterday. Not streaming NY. It was a bit weird. I was like, I had such a full day. I got so much done though. Like I really did need that day to get some stuff done, which is great. But chat, 8 minutes here to the close. The 30 minutes pushing down. Chat, if this 30 minute could close no bottom wick, it's a long shot because we're so far away from the close. But yeah, man. Not spoke proper since Thursday. Yeah, true. True. Alright, chat, 7 minutes. Now the question is, are you even going to close above here? You're ripping down quite hard. I'm looking fresh, my guy. Thank you, bro. It's a bit too, Actually, no, I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll just go for the 50k. Yeah, 50k is a good shout, bro. So I like 50k accounts. Like when I was trading props back in the day, I think that was a good number. Like 100k when I started off seemed too big. 25k seems too small. 50k is not a bad number. Alright, 7 minutes, chat. So look, if you can get a nice bottom wick on this 4-hour open, tapping into 26.49, you should be good. You don't trade funders now? Not really, no, bro. I use funded sometimes to test if I have a new entry. Like I use it as like a forward testing account. But realistically, I don't need to because I don't want to sound, I don't know. I just have enough personal capital to make enough money where I don't want to trade fundeds. And I don't want the restriction of having rules and payouts and all that sort of stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you can, make sure you trade a personal because you have no restrictions, right? No one can tell me that my payout is denied or whatever. I just request a payout and get it. That's simple. What broker do you use? I use AvaTrade, bro. Yeah, right there. They're like the most one of the most regulated brokers in the world. You don't want to be using an unregulated broker, chat. Even if their conditions are slightly better, you don't want to use an unregulated broker. They can just not pay you out. It's happened before to people I know. Some guy I know, chat, was using an unregulated broker. He made like a lot of money on it, and they not only did they not pay him his profits, they actually kept his initial deposit too. So make sure you go with a regulated broker, man, because they can't do that to you, obviously. Five minutes chat to this close. Current 5 minute close, no bottom wick, which is interesting. Although, chat, I do have a feeling that this might be the bottom wick for the next 4 hour, right? You know, I was saying earlier about how we sometimes actually make the bottom wick before the candle close. So I think this is now our bottom wick, and I think if we are going to continue up, it just rips up here. This rejection area is yesterday's NY open. What's good, Sasquatch? Yeah. I guess it is, right? Yeah, it is, you're right. Interesting, bro. I mean, it's here, right? Yeah. Crazy. Thank you, Deny. Just remove that one there. 3 minutes, chat. A lot of potential here, right? Stay locked in. If we close above here, above 26.52, you should continue up, chat. Question is, can we get a bottom wick, right? Because last time we pushed up, no bottom wick whatsoever here. You see? We just pushed up without any bottom wick. And like I said now, this retracement as well might be the same. It might be a bottom wick for us. So let's see. But if you can tap into chat, if you can tap into this 26.49 level, we'll be in buys off the rip, I think. It depends actually. I might have to wait for a nice like no bottom wick closure or something. But yeah, chat. If it rips straight down, we'll take buys. Two minutes and 40 seconds, chat, to the close. Lock it in, focus up, locus up, let's say. Yeah, a lot of potential right now. Again, this open's very, very key. Very, very key. I had like a 5 pip difference for this buy. Wait, what do you mean? You want it up here or what? Oh, chat, wait. This could be so clean. But, yeah, chat, I feel like you're going to rip straight up. Because what I'm saying is, you know, a bottom wick is just a retrace, right? It can be a retest as well. You've just made the retest of the area, kind of. So now that you've just retested, if this wasn't a 4-hour close, chat, what would you expect this candle to do here? You'd expect it to go bam, 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 retest, and then just continue up, right? But since it's a 4-hour close, we expect it to now come down first and make a bottom wick before continuing up. But that doesn't actually make much sense in a market structure like perspective. Realistically, chat, like I said, it's already made the retracement that it was looking for. This could just rip. I'm not saying it will, but it could, right? Oh, your level was like 5 pips. Okay, yeah. What, 2649.5 or 0.4? Yeah, like right here. Had to pop off to do something. What have I missed? Nothing, bro. We're just waiting on this 4-hour closure in 50 seconds. So now that you're back, make sure you're locked in. You got a tenner for me to full margin. Bro, I saw someone yesterday saying they did $10 to like 1.5k in a week. I was like, bro, it was a big influencer too. I was like, you are lying, bro. You don't have the margin for that. I know I know the guy as well. I thought he was sound, but definitely not, bro. That doesn't exist. Alright, chat, 12 seconds here. Let's see how we close. Or how we open, sorry. You are leaving a good top wick though. Alright, 4-hour open here. Okay. Can you push down? Chat, again, right? This is not enough of a bottom wick for me. If we're going to take the flip, I want to at least see a test into 52, 51 probably. But if we're going to take a wick entry, it needs to come down to 49.8. So let's see, chat. There's still potential here, right? It did make a small top wick, but I'm not too concerned about that. I don't think that particularly matters. Yeah, 52 is strong as well. If this was just a 1 hour, the 52 would be nice. Need to see a tap into it though, realistically. Sort of sat still here, chat. Let's see. Pick up SG more though. I appreciate you. Okay, chat. I mean, there's nothing I can do right now when we're sat still, but if you can continue to break these lows here, push down right now, I'd love to see you tap down into here, but I'm just conscious that on the 1 hour, obviously, that'd be almost breaking the 1 hour lows, which is very unlikely if it's just a bottom wick. This is currently, how big? 4 pip bottom wick, chat. That's not enough for me. Right. Hopefully this doesn't flip and drive, right? Hopefully you can see it push back a little bit further down. That'd be real nice. I'm just looking at the 1 minute there for a sec. But yeah, this might just drive, chat, if I'm honest. I'm going to have to stay disciplined here, nonetheless. Just need to see it come further down, chat. You got no liquidity being grabbed here. It's good, Berad. How we doing? Welcome, welcome, welcome. From Iran. Welcome, man. Chat, so much indecision here. It almost looks like it wants to come further down, right? It looks like it's struggling to push up. So we'll see, chat. Just stay locked in here. We need the volume to pick up, which should happen shortly, right? A lot of the times the volume dies right on the 4 hour close, and then a little bit afterwards it'll pick up. If you can come down, tap into like this area here, 2651. Somewhere around there we should be good. It's just not the right formation for buys for me. Chat, we've got 115 people watching right now. Can we try and get to 75 likes on today's stream? Very, very possible. I think we're nearly at like 50. Make sure we run it up. Alright, chat. You've gone nowhere here. You do have a 5-minute close coming in like a minute's time. So, with that being said, right, it's going to depend on how you continue down, right? If you close bearish, you're likely to continue a little bit further. If not, like if you close doji like this, then that might just be it. And it might just rip, chat. But, you know, if it does rip, listen. Sometimes you just have to let... If you love them, you have to let them go, right? I love gold, but we have to let it drive. Now, we'll see. There's still a lot of potential, though. There you are. Look, re-breaking the lows. Okay, chat, that's good. That's good for us, man. It's going to continue down a little bit further, most likely. Unless you close no bottom wick. Nah, okay, you didn't. Cool. Yeah, chat, too sexy. I'll be back in literally 2 seconds. Yeah, see, chat, it worked. Look, it worked. That's what I'm telling you. I just walk away from the screen a little bit. It'll make the bottom wick for us. Maybe, chat, every closure I need to just get, like, move away and just let it do its thing. But chat, I am now going to have a buy stop on the break of this candle high, right? Right here. I think that now that you've tapped into this level, you should be good to flip. And if you want to come down further, then great. But if you do flip here, chat, realistically, I think you should be good to drive and fill the range. Like 52 is a strong area on the 1 hour and the 4. Yeah, look at that rejection, chat. That's clean. That rejection's smooth, chat. That's real nice. So let's see here. Can we get activated? Stops are going to be below the previous 1 hour low, I think. For like 45 pips total. Volume's coming into the market as well. Let's see here, chat. But wait, I do want to put this. Oh, wait, let me just delete that. Chat, this is just a buy stop at the minute, right? But it looks like we're about to get activated nonetheless. Wait, let me move my stop for spreads real quick. Is that right? Yeah, perfect. I just had to move that for spreads a little bit. I didn't get activated at all. But let me just put this here. And put buy stop. Lovely stuff. So yeah, not activated chat yet. Just yet, chat. It came close. But yeah, not quite yet. But let's see. This is the position that I've got right now. Interesting that you are starting to reject here after coming close to that flip. I don't see why you would do that, if I'm honest. But that's okay. Signal bot not working. Ah, that is tough. Wait, let me try it again. That work? Alright, yeah, it worked. Okay, we're good. Alright, thank you guys for letting me know that the signal bot wasn't working. But yeah, chat, make sure you do account for spreads as well, right? So on this buy stop, you do want to account for those spreads. Also, the break-even point for this trade is going to be up here on the wick fill, right? That gives you what? Gives you approximately, I think, like 15. Okay, not too bad. But that came real close to activating us, eh? Came close. Let's see. Are we going to get activated here, chat, yet? It's struggling, though. It did reject cleanly off this level, right? You would have seen... I guess if you got in right off the tap, you would have seen like 14 pips profit. 5 minutes closing like doji, I guess. Ish. Let's see what we can do here, chat. You might need to come down and break the low again, which is fine, right? If you do that, you're just grabbing more liquidity. If you want to re-break this low, then that's fine. But I did believe with the reaction that we had off this level, that you reacted off of it so well that I was almost certain that we'd just continue to push up and flip there. I want to drive to 28 first. Or a 15 closure, no bottom wick. Yeah. Just joined in the same trade. Hey, let's go, bro. Yeah, I'm not activated just yet, but I think it's a clean trade nonetheless. I don't think we'll continue pushing down. I think if we respect this area too, like if you can close respecting the area, we can essentially, once you do start to make a push, we can push our stops up to below this low, right? But not yet. Not yet, chat. Big yawn. Yeah, chat, this could be a real clean position, right? So just stay locked in. Like I said, we're not activated just yet. 15 no bottom wick. Yeah, 15 no bottom wick would be nice. I'll be in there as well. I'll be in there as well. Yeah, chat, you do have 3 minutes here till a 15-minute close. But, yeah, like we said, right? We've got buy stops on the breakers higher, nothing else yet. Chat, realistically, if we do get a wick entry, I might stack the buys with the flip as well. I might not even delete the buy stop here. We might just have 2 entries. So let's see. Oh. Let's see, chat. So much potential here right now. Okay, you're pushing back down. That's fine. You revert the lows, right? This is good though, chat. The reason why it's good is because you're not making structure really on the push down. You're just continuing down here. Like, it's just one 15-minute candle, right? Which means essentially it's just a bottom wick, in my opinion. If you were going to push down here, you'd need a top wick first, like realistically. Secondly, you'd most likely be making structure as you push down. But right now, this could just still be a, you know, a higher low being made. Which is good, right? 2 minutes to the 15-minute close. Let's see how we close there. If you close no bottom wick, chat, most likely will be in off rip. More room to drive on the flip now. Yeah, that is true. When it does flip now, chat, as well, you do have, yeah, you are more likely to push because you've grabbed more liquidity. Bro's on a sunbed. What? It's 10 AM. That's insane, Eugene. Okay, chat, 1 minute to the 15 close. Let's see, if we close no bottom wick, yeah, I'll be in off rip. But the stops will be a bit larger on this one, I think, depending on how we do. I don't think it's going to close no bottom wick, though, I'm not going to lie. Starting to make some retracements here. Oh yeah, this 1 minute close no bottom wick, so I don't think you're going to close properly no bottom wick on the 5. On the 15, I could be wrong. Oh, chat, 10 seconds here. Nah, it pulled back. It pulled back. That's tough, chat. That would have been so clean. I was excited. What's good, Alwyn? How you doing, man? Chat, that would have been so close. That would have been so clean, sorry. You closed no bottom wick there. That would have been, wow. Super nice. But, chat, listen, that doesn't mean that we can't... we've still got buy stops here on the flip. Yeah, we're like 10 seconds away, eh? 10 seconds away. But no, so realistically, I still do believe this will flip from around this area here, right? 51 was my second area. You have, oh, he's so excited. Bro, you can't be getting that excited before a trade. What's good, Alwyn, bro? How you doing? Yeah, that was, that would be clean, especially like that off the rip entry. You would have had what, like, yeah, 30 pips of room before you even got the flip. That would have been real nice. Okay, starting to reject here, chat. This could be good here. I'm happy with the rejection off this level as well. Yeah, if you can reject here, that's fine. I know you're coming up no bottom wick really, but I don't think that's a real issue, to be honest. I do believe that this is actually our bottom wick for the 4 hour, right? Everything is telling me, like logically thinking here, everything is telling me that this is just a bottom wick. What we can do as well is we can wait for like a 5-minute closure back above and take some buys off that. Perfect rejection looking off 15 to the left. Yeah, it's not bad, bro. Not bad at all. I just can't take a wick entry here yet. I'd rather get... If I want a wick entry, I want it to be at like 26.49. Like down here. Or like even 26.50 on the dot. That's where I'd want to take it. So we were like 10 pips off or something. 11 pips off, not bad. But let's see. Yeah, I'm not the biggest fan of this no bottom wick, but at the same time... Whoa, got my grandpa's land, won the court case and sold it for 650k. Life is going good. Bro, life is going good for you. Fair play, man. 650 is not bad. Bro, that's a W. I remember when you were, like, first joining. I think you, like, needed cash or something. But that's a W, bro. I don't know if that was you. I don't want to say that wrong. But either way, I'm happy, bro. Congrats. Now you got to join the coaching group and scale that shit to, like, 2 mil. Lambo driver. Yeah. Alright, chat, let's see here. There's so much potential right now there. Chat, for everyone who's new, right? Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you drop a like as well. And I don't know if you know this, but we also do stream New York session, right? So we'll be back on stream for New York at 1 PM. Obviously, we're going to wait for this trade to play out first. And we might stay on the whole time. But yeah, we'll be back for that. So make sure you're subscribed and you got the notifications on is what I'm trying to say. We also are releasing vlogs or like day in the life videos. They're actually more like week in the life videos every single Friday. Yeah, so make sure you check those out. Otherwise, let's lock it in here. Stay locked in, man. Oh, when you're doing loans. Owen, I got a business opportunity for you if you want. I'm playing, bro. Good shit. Don't let anyone con you or anything. That's huge. Next 5 bottom wick for this one and flip. I'm in off rip. Maybe, we'll see. Pushing up here, chat, which is great. If you can close respecting on the 5, which you just did, that's huge. Coming close to the flip now, though, chat. This could be nice. Could be nice. A lot of potential here. I'm not too worried about the 15, right? Because I do believe, firstly, you tap the level, and secondly, that you are... You know, the 30's looking so clean. But chat, this would have been so nice if the 15 closed no bottom wick, we would have been in there. 0% interest for the SG community. Hey, let's go, bro. That's clean. Okay, coming up towards the flip here, chat. Let me see a push. Realistically, I'd like to see like a 15-minute close bullish first. But nonetheless, I think it's valid. When I would like 650k to full put CPI, what we thinking? Crazy. All right, chat. I just got activated here in these buys. Hopefully we can see a clean push up here. Hopefully this volume that's just come into the markets can take us up all the way in a clean manner. Let's see what happens right now. Let me put my stops in as well. That was my TP, 2660.2. There you go. All right, clean chat. Let's see. What are we going to do here? I do want to see some closures here on the 5 right now. 3 minutes till that happens. Let me just delete this. Whoa. Good that we got so much volume though, to be honest. That's a really nice sign. Just want to see that volume take us up. Once you do re-rate the highs one more time, you should see a pop, chat. You should expect to see a pop. Five-minute closure in a minute's time. Let's see. We get just a clean push. It is struggling a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. I don't think that's a problem. You've grabbed a lot of liquidity now. Realistically, you should fill this 4-hour wick. I don't see why you wouldn't. Yeah, you do keep trying to re-break the high as well, which is nice. As long as you can continuously re-break that high, we shouldn't have a problem. Question is now, how are we going to close on the 5? How are we going to close on the 15 and the 30? That's the most important thing. If you can close nicely on the 30, we're chilling. Okay, 5-minute closing in 30 seconds. $26.52, yeah, Mark, yeah, around there. The one thing you really kind of don't want is if this 5-minute closes no top wick, it might be a bit of an issue. $10 seconds until we see. Okay, chat, I'm closing half of my position here at 10 pips, and I'm also going stops to break even based off the fact that 5 minutes closing no top wick. So that's a W trade right there, chat. Congratulations. Just managing a little bit of risk there based off of that. W's. Yeah, the 5-minute close no top wick, which is a bit of an issue for me. Yeah, a bit of an issue because you can at any point flip down right now. Chat, most likely you are going to get stop break even here for the other half. Unless we can just run and use the momentum. If you do survive this, which I don't think you will, to be honest, but if you do, you're going to have runners. Thank you, brother. Anytime, Crow. Yeah, you're going to have runners here, chat. The rest can run for me till TP now, but it's just whether or not you survive this 5 no top wick. That's a horrible closure for us. And we don't have like obviously the lowest entry as possible. So yeah, this might get us out here, chat. Just be careful, okay? If you haven't already managed risk, then obviously make sure you at least stop to break even here as a minimum. I think we saw like 15 pips max, but again, that closure is the main reason why I'm managing here. The main reason. Yeah, W bro, thank you now. Chat, that is an absolute dub, but let's just wait and see how the rest of this trade plays out, right? Yeah, you're going to get stop break even here, chat. I was hoping that the bullish volume could keep us going, but it doesn't look like it can. Yeah, there you are. Stop break even, chat, on the rest of that position. So yeah, we closed full at around like, well, we closed partials at around like 11 pips. But yeah, the rest of it, you know, ended up getting us out. But chat, nonetheless, W trade. We waited patiently for that one. Yeah, that 5 was tough. That 5 was real tough. I was thinking about closing full, but the way that it was pushing up with so much momentum, I thought we might just drive through. But yeah, chat, I have to manage that way. I just have to. It's part of my plan. So congratulate yourselves. Make sure you drop a like as well if you haven't already. And chat, spam some dubs for me real quick. We started the week off nicely with a win. I want to make a nice little post about that. And yeah. Dubs. Spam those dubs, chat. Yeah, where the mods out there? Thank you, chat. I appreciate you guys. Nice. Well done, chat. Listen, if you are going to dip right now, I'm going to call it here, by the way, just so you know. That's going to be it from me today. Not today, but I'll be back for New York session, obviously, in a little bit. But that London session was so clean. So well done. That's exactly how you patiently wait for a trade. That's exactly how, you know, you stick to your plan. And yeah, we did a perfectly clean trade right there. So congratulations if you took that, chat. And yeah, especially if you understood why. Otherwise, make sure you drop a like, and we'll play the GeoGuessr, and then we'll call it a day, right? Oh, not the GeoGuessr, Pix letters, and we'll call it a session. But I'll be back for New York. So yeah, see you in a bit, Crow. Arnold, thank you. Good trade. Yeah, I appreciate it. Too clean, too nice. Yeah, but chat, make sure you guys have got those notifications on because we're not getting pushed in the algorithm, right? And yeah. Stack. Crazy. Pre and post analysis was perfect. Hey, thank you, Ben. I appreciate that. Great trade, Sam. Thank you, Michael. Alright, cool. Got any guesses? Great trade. I did not close partial, but I hit BE. I agreed on the analysis. Big W, see you later. Alright, Louis. Congrats, bro. Yeah, I think it was... In my opinion, I was thinking about closing full, but I know the power of that no top wick is so strong. So strong. Molar. It can't be LAR at the end. What is this word, man? I've got no clue. Closing full was a bit too much for me because we did have that buy momentum. Yeah, I hear that. That's the reason why I didn't close full, Mark. Exactly right. Bro, you've come on so far with your trading. Good stuff. Yeah, literally the reason why I didn't close full is because we had such momentum pushing upwards. But I did understand that we might reject there based off that. Bro, what is this word? Force? Yeah, that makes a lot more sense. Forge, right? Holy shit, thank you, Matt. You saved me there. I had no clue. Bro. Scale? Can't be an L at the end. Gilf? Gilf? Wine? Can't be a W second. Maybe shine. No, it can't be an N. Spire? Surely that's gotta be Spire, no? I don't think it can be anything else, no? What do you think, chat? Alright, W. Clean. Clean, clean, clean. Alright, good stuff, chat. Listen, that's it from me. What a trade. That was clean, chat. Great management. And look, you probably... Oh, wow. You came really far down. Insane. You saved yourself a lot of drawdown there, chat. Listen, W stream, W management. Congratulate yourselves if you took that trade. I'll see you guys on NY. But peace out. Much love. See you in the next one. Bye-bye, chat. See you later.